This is the review for the final test on modeling and solving equations. The first 4 problems ask us to solve and check each of the following equations and circle our answers. This first problem, first equation, h over 3 equals 5. H over 3 is h divided by 3, so the inverse operation would be multiplying by 3. Whatever I do to the left side of the equation, I have to do the same thing to the right side. So 3 over 3 is 1, so that leaves us with 1h, which is what we want, equals 5 times 3 is 15. Before I circle that, I'm going to check it, so I'm going to put 15 where h is. I'm going to substitute that variable with the value 15 over 3 equals 5, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So that checks out. Circle your answer. Number 2, 29 plus s equals 46. I want to isolate the variable. I need to get that s by itself, so I need to subtract 29 from both sides. 29 minus 29 is 0, so we're left with s on the left side of the equation and 17 on the right side. Now before I circle that, let's check it. 29 plus, we're saying that s is 17, so I'm going to substitute a 17 where that s is. And then actually do the addition. 9 and 7 is 16, carry the 1, 2, 3, 4, 46 equals 46. That checks out, so you can circle your answer. On 3 we have negative 15m equals 600. Negative 15m is negative 15 times m. So we're going to undo that multiplication with division. Divide both sides by negative 15. Because negative 15 divided by negative 15 is 1, so we have 1m on the left. And then 600 divided by 15. There are 4 15s in 60, and 0 15s in 0. So m equals 40, negative 40, because we have a positive divided by a negative, so Baby Mindy tells us that we'll have a negative quotient, so m equals negative 40. Let's put negative 40 in for m here. Negative 15 times negative 40 should equal positive 600 if we did it right. 40 times 15. 0 times 5 is 0, 4 times 5 is 20. When we're multiplying by this 1, we're really multiplying by 10, so we start with a 0. 0 times 1 is 0, and 4 times 1 is 4. If you add those up, you do get 600. And we have a negative times a negative, so we have a positive product. Okay, so it is positive 600, so that checks out. So m equals negative 40. Number 4, c minus 75 equals 128. I want to isolate that c, so I need to undo this subtracting 75 with adding 75 to both sides. Because minus 75 plus 75 is 0, so we have c on the left side equals 203. Now put 203 in for c to check it. Actually do that subtraction. 203 minus 75. We can't subtract 5 from 30, so we need to borrow from here, making this a 10 and then this a 9. 13 minus 5 is 8, 9 minus 7 is 2, and bring down the 1. 128 equals 128. That checks out, so c does equal 203. I think I'm going to do problem 5 through 8 on the next video.